Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is, look dear students, please look at the board. Our today's topic is past continuous tense and lecture number 23. And of course, this is a revision class and there is no SW. Okay. And this is your revision class. Okay, dear students, now we are going to start our today's topic. Look at the board please. Look here, we are going to discuss about lesson 22. The topic is the past continuous tense. Okay, look here, we have seen some conversation with Anand and Mukul and with Afzal. Okay, look here, Anand said that when we reached home our parents were cooking. Mukul said that we are reading a lesson in class when the bell rang, and Afzal said it was raining heavily this morning. Look dear students, the verbs were cooking, was reading, was raining are in the past continuous tense. They show actions going on in the past. So about past continuous tense, we can say that the action which is going on in the past, this type of tense is called past continuous tense. Okay, dear students, we use the past continuous tense form of a verb to talk about things that are in progress at some point of time in the past. Okay, for example, it was raining heavily this morning. Look here, we use the past continuous tense form of a verb to express an action that was going on when a second action took place or was just completed. Okay. Another example, I was doing my homework when Sudha came to my house. When the subject is singular, follow this carefully dear students. When the subject is singular, at that time we use was plus verb along with ing. For example, Samina was reading a book. Another example, he was talking to his friend. Okay, when the subject is plural, we use were plus verb along with ing. For example, we are helping our teacher. Another example, Jatin and Indra are playing with marbles. Okay, dear students, now we are going to do some exercise here. Okay, look at the board, the past continuous tense. Circle the correct verbs to complete these sentences. Now we will circle that which tense is past continuous tense, which sentence is the example of past continuous tense. Okay, look, number 1, Manav and Arnav played or playing football when the bell rang or was ringing. Look here, what is the correct answer? Yes, I hope all of you have know this properly. You have known this properly. Look here, Manav and Arnav, here we have to circle are playing. Okay, are playing football. Then when the bell, what? Which is the correct answer? Yes, you have to circle here rang. Okay, so I am going to circle it are playing. Okay, so here are playing is the correct answer. Manav and Arnav played Manav and Arnav are playing football when the bell, what is the correct answer here? Yes, rang. Okay, look, our next sentence, I met or meet Arifa at the market last week while I shopped or was shopping. Okay, dear students, we will circle here. Look, I, what is the correct answer here? Yes, I met. Look, this sentence before the word while, and before this word we have found a sentence, and this sentence is the example of past indefinite tense. Okay, so here we can say I met Arifa at the market last week while I, which one is the correct answer here? Shopped or was shopping? Yes, while I was shopping. This one is the correct answer. Okay, while I was shopping. So the answer is what? I met Arifa at the market last week while I was shopping. Okay, now we will go to the next number 3. We slept or was sleeping when my uncle arrived or was arriving from Pune. Okay, Now we have to circle there. Number 3. We, here the correct answer is what? We were sleeping. Okay, so the correct answer is what here? Yes, dear students, here we have to circle here. We were sleeping when my uncle, here which one is the correct answer? Arrived or was arriving? Which one? Yes, dear students, here we have to circle arrived. Arrived. Okay, we have to circle here arrived. Okay, when my uncle arrived from Pune. Okay, then our next question, number 4. Look, dear students, here we have found that Mary waited or was waiting for the bus when it started or was starting to rain. So the correct answer is what here? Yes, 4. Mary was waiting. We have to circle here this word. Okay, so we have to circle here this word. Mary was waiting for the bus when it started or starting. Yes, the correct answer is what? Started. So we have to circle it. We have to circle it like this way. Okay, like this way. Okay, when it started to rain. Okay, then our next sentence, my brother came or was coming home while I did or was doing my project. Look, in this sentence, my brother came or was coming home. What is the correct answer here? Number 5. Yes, we have to first circle here. My brother came. So the correct answer is what? Came. Okay, number 5. First one is what? My brother came home while I, which one is the correct answer here? Did or was doing my project. Yes, we have to circle here. Was what? Doing. We have to circle here what? Was doing. So the correct answer is what here? My brother came home while I was doing my project. Okay, look here. Then our last question. My mother drove or was driving to this school this morning when she saw or was seeing my uncle. Okay, so the answer is what here? My mother. Which word we have to circle as past continuous tense? Yes, we have to circle here. My mother was driving. Okay, my mother was driving. Yes, we have seen that about past continuous tense and its structure. We know that what is its structure? Subject plus was or were plus verb along with ing plus object. Okay, so here we can circle that my mother was driving to the school. Okay, this morning when she, which one is the correct answer here? When she saw or was seeing my uncle. Yes, we have to circle here when she saw. Okay, dear students, this one is the correct answer. So the full sentence is what? My mother was driving to the school this morning when she saw my uncle. Okay, when she saw my uncle. So the full sentence is my mother was driving to the school this morning when she saw my uncle. Okay, dear students. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic and there is no SW. Please keep practicing this at your home and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.